When you try to open an app, you get this error. So, how to solve this error? Let's find out. You get a notification from your Windows security. Here, you can see no threat found. So, why is this happening? To solve this, you should open an app, then go to the notification, and here you can see the manage settings. Click on manage settings, then go down to exclusion. In exclusions, you should add or remove exclusions. You need to add an exclusion. Here, you click on that add an exclusion, go to file, and select the file you want to add. We are getting that app in here, so open it up. And you can see it has been added here. So now let's try to open it again. You can see the app has been opened without any error. So that's how you should solve this error. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope I solved your error. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you guys. Bye bye.